Transport and communication. Highlights of the lesson. Students will try to identify various modes of transport, including land, water, air. Understand the purposes and characteristics of each type of transportation, such as cars, trains, ships, airplanes, and satellites. Explore the evolution of communication methods from ancient times to modern technology, including telephones, radios, television, and the internet. We learn. Transport is very important. It helps people in many ways. 1. People can take their goods to the market. 2. People can travel to get services. 3. People can travel to work. Transport is very important. People have to move from one place to another. Even goods need to be sent from one place to another. What does the word transport mean? Transport means to move people or things from one place to another. Road transport, rail transport, air transport, and water transport are the 4 different means of transport. Types of transport. Land. Carts, bullocks, camels. Yaks. Horses. Bicycle. Motorcycle. Car, bus. Train, etc. Water. Canoe. Steamboat. Passenger ship. Air. Aeroplane. Helicopter. Hot air balloon. Land transport. Travel by land is the oldest means of travel. Roads are well-defined stretches of land that are filled with gravel and sand to make it level and then paved with tar. Roadways connect cities, towns, and villages. State transport buses carry people to villages, cities, and towns inside the state. Interstate transport buses carry people from one state to other states. Highways connect one important place in the state to another. There are state highways and national highways. State highways connect important places within a state. National highways connect one state to another. National Highway 5, NH5, from Odisha border to Tamil Nadu passes through Andhra Pradesh connecting Ichhapuram, Palasa, Tekkali, Narsannapeta, Srikakulam, Bhimanipatnam, Vishakhapatnam, Ankappally, Prattipadu, Rajmundry, Iluru, Vijayawada, Guntur, Ongole, Nallore, Gudur. Railways. India has a very large railway network. From its first railway in 1853, the Indian Railways have grown to become one of the world's largest railway networks. Indian Railways owns and operates its own electric locomotive, diesel locomotive, and passenger coach factories. India has a network of railroad lines that cover the entire country. The Indian Railways is India's largest employer. There are 5 kinds of trains: superfast trains, express trains, passenger trains, mail trains, and goods trains. Superfast and express trains carry people and have very few stops on the way. Passenger trains stop at many stations in the route. Mail trains carry people as well as post. Goods trains transport goods that need to be sent to other parts of the country. A railway junction connects the local or nearby places to the main line. Do you know? Have you heard about the Palace on Wheels? It is a luxury train. It runs in Rajasthan. The inside of the train is built like a palace. The train has many facilities such as restaurants, library, etc. The South Indian version of the Palace on Wheels is the Golden Chariot train. Waterways. Water transport is the second oldest form of transport. Traveling by water can be either on the seas or on rivers. Since olden days, people have used water bodies for their daily needs as well as for transport. India has 11 major ports. They are at Kandla, Kolkata, Chennai, Kochi, Paradeep, Marmugao, New Mangalore, Tuticorin, Visakhapatnam, and 2 ports at Mumbai. The Visakhapatnam port is the only port in India and first of its kind in South Asia to have a large cavern for storing liquefied petroleum gas (LPG). This cavern is at a depth of 200 meters below sea level. There are several ships of many countries that sail all over the world. There are both cargo carriers and passenger liners or cruise ships. Ships that carry goods are called cargo or merchant ships. Cargo ships that carry only oil are called oil tankers. Do you know? A port is a harbour with facilities for loading and unloading cargoes and passengers. Airways. Airways is the fastest mode of travel. In India, there are large airports in almost all important cities. The metropolises have more than one aerodrome or airport. An airport is a place where aeroplanes take off and land with passengers and cargo. The Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport in Mumbai is one of the busiest airports in India. Several airlines fly the Indian skies. Some of the major airlines are Air India, Jet Airways, Go Air, Indigo, and SpiceJet. The Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, Hyderabad International Airport, is among the world's top 5 in the annual Airport Service Quality (ASQ) passenger survey. Communication. Exchange of information is called communication. People communicate with each other to share news, ideas, or their feelings. People communicate through speaking or writing. So, language is an important part of communication. People who cannot speak or hear communicate through sign language. People who are visually challenged use a reading system called Braille. In olden times, the means of communication were very limited. People could communicate only through talking, writing letters, or through reading and writing books. Letters took a long time to be delivered since they were carried by hand. Sometimes people sent messages and letters through pigeons. Over time, communication systems have improved. Letters now arrive faster as they are transported by air or trains. Many other means of communication such as newspapers, radio and television came into use. Means of communication. Post and telegraph. There are thousands of post offices in the country, in villages, towns, and cities. People can send letters, money orders, or parcels to different parts of the country or to other countries through post. Speed post is another facility that post offices offer to people for sending urgent posts quickly. Telegram used to be an important form of communication. Telegrams were short and usually urgent messages that were sent by telegraph. Today, due to faster means of communication by email and mobile phones, telegrams have been stopped. This service was terminated by the Postal Department in 2013. Courier. Couriers are used to send letters, parcels, or goods quickly to any place within the country and abroad. Telephone. The telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. It is used for speaking to someone in a different place. To speak to someone within your village, town, or city, you make a local call. When you call anyone outside your village, town, or city, you make an STD, subscriber trunk dialing, call. You call someone outside the country through an ISD, international subscriber dialing, call. Mobile phone. A mobile phone is a phone that does not have to be plugged in and you can carry it around with you. It is also called cell phone. Cell phones made communication easy and very quick. Facsimile. You can send a written message quickly to someone through a fax machine. A fax machine sends and receives written or typed documents in electronic form. The faxed message is called facsimile, or fax in short. A fax machine is connected to a telephone line. Mass media. Newspapers, magazines, radio, television, and the internet are other important means of communication. They are called mass media because they communicate news and information about important events taking place all over the world to a very large number of people. Satellites and the internet. Earlier, the radio, telephone, and television worked on electronic connections. Nowadays, they work with the help of satellites. Satellites are objects that are sent into space from where they send signals over long distances without cables or wires. The internet works through satellites and the telephone connection. It has connected people all over the world. Let's recall. Transport is used to carry people and goods from one place to another. Transport can be through roadways, waterways, railways, and airways. State highways connect important places within a state. National highways connect one state to another. Indian Railways was started in the year 1853. Indian Railways is one of the world's largest railway networks. Water transport is one of the oldest forms of transport. India has 11 major ports. Air travel is the fastest mode of transport. Exchange of information is called communication. Languages play an important role in communication. The post office sends letters, money orders and parcels to different parts of the country and other countries. The telephone is also used to operate the fax machine and the internet. Satellites are objects sent into space from where they send signals all over the world without cables or wires. The internet helps people communicate with each other easily. Glossary. Braille. A form of printing for visually challenged people with raised dots, which enable reading by touching the paper. Cargo. Goods that are carried in a ship, aeroplane, or any other mode of transport. Cavern. A large underground cave. Harbor. An area of water of sufficient depth where it is safe for ships and boats to stop and stay. Junction. A place where one road or railway track joins another. Locomotive. A railway engine. Port. A place on the seashore where ships can be loaded and unloaded.